Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Intercoastal Mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Intercoastal Mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in intercoastalmortgage.com and make a search. The official page of Intercoastal Mortgage account will appear on the screen. Scroll all the way down and click on Bill Pay option. On the next page, tap on Secure Bill Pay. Now all you need to do is click on Sign in with your profile option. Enter your username and password associated with your Intercoastal Mortgage account and tap on Login. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. This is how you can log into your Intercoastal Mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.